If you've closed your YouTube account and wish to reopen it, follow these steps to guide you through the process. Keep in mind that the ability to recover your account may depend on how long it has been since the account was closed. Step 1. Visit the YouTube sign-in page. Go to the YouTube website and click on the sign-in button located at the top right corner of the page. Enter the email address associated with the closed account. Step 2. Click on Forgot Password. If you cannot remember your password or if your account is not recognized, click on the Forgot Password link. This will guide you through the recovery process. Step 3. Follow the account recovery steps. Before starting recovery, use the sroc.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 4. Review account status. Once you've successfully signed in, check your account status. If the account is still recoverable, you may see an option to reactivate it. Follow any additional prompts to complete the reactivation. Step 5. Update account information. After reactivating your account, review and update your account information, including your password and recovery options, to ensure your account is secure and accessible in the future. After completing these steps, your closed YouTube account should be reopened, allowing you to access your previous content and settings. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to YouTube support for further assistance.